Hi everybody, welcome back to my tropical garden here in the UK, where today at the moment it's raining. So I'm going to take you in my shed and show you what's going on with my grow lights. So without further ado, follow me. So here we are, back in my shed where I've kept these grow lights that I've got, and all these plants are really doing so well now. It's late in May, and some of these, like these cucumbers here, I'm going to keep inside. I've got two full-sized cucumbers, and just here marked MC is micro cucumber. First time trying that. Little small cucumbers apparently. Supposed to be really tasty. Over the back I've got some cos lettuce coming on, and I'm going to keep some in, put some out. I've got some other plants there, some lettuce seeds that I've just sown. We've been eating the first lot. Cactus, there's no cactus there. There's a bromeliad in there as well. I'm going to try and take some cuttings or shoots from. There's a money tree. There's small plants here. Got some nicotiana. I've got a pedron pepper that's doing really well over the back there. Got a flower coming on it. Some purple heart. More lettuces. A couple of pumpkins, cucumber. Quite a lot of stuff doing really well. Gonna have to have a change round again soon. Oh yeah, I've got some peas coming on there. Let them get a little bit bigger so they're a bit more slug proof, and then they can go out somewhere. And well, that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine, just to show you how everything's growing in my English tropical garden. Although not so much tropical here, more edible. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.